像是我心头的牵引，多想让你抓住我的手，我想让你，我都想让你抓住我的手，我都想让你抓住我的手，抓住我的手，然后偷走背后轻易离开不曾留下的回眸。看着泪在流，没有任何的理由。抓不住的手，回忆涌上了心头。
I know girls like you have your reservations. 'Cause I know guys like me, we got bad reputations. Oh, come and find out for yourself now. Find out for yourself one time. Find out for yourself now. Get to know me for real, for real. I've been on your line tryna get to know you, baby. You ain't got the time, you miss independent, baby. Block it out your mind, all the shit that they been saying to you. They say I'm a dog, don't be led astray, baby. Trying to evolve, trying to change my ways, baby. They just throwing salt, don't believe what they saying to you. Don't fight the feeling, I understand, but life's for living. Just take a chance, every night too busy. Just change your plans for me. I know girls like you have your reservations. 'Cause I know guys like me, we got bad reputation. Oh, come and find out for yourself now. Find out for yourself one time. Find out for yourself now. Get to know me for real, for real. I know you heard a couple statements about my reputation. Niggas talking shit and bitches saying that I'm crazy. Go ahead, do me a favor, take that out the equation. Come be my Priscilla, tryna take you to the Graceland. Yeah, you know I'm in it, that's that shit I'm on. Leave them in awe, I'm authentic. Used to dream about that Lambo, now I'm in it. And I'm tryna take you with me, though. I understand. Just take a chance, every night too busy. Just change your plans for me. I know girls like you have your reservations. 'Cause I know guys like me, we got bad reputations. Yeah, come and find out for yourself. Find out for yourself.
One thing about me, I like cooking so much. That is one of the things I like doing, and anytime I am free or I'm in the mood and I have energy, I just like making good meals for my baby so that he can enjoy. Yeah, so here I was trying out a new recipe. So yeah, come along with me.
Ooh, Lord, ooh, Lord. Just like the sun, light up the earth, you light up my life. The only one I ever see with a smile so bright. And just yesterday, you came around my way. You changed my horse in way. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again, I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You
special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun.
That's one of my favorite cups. I love it so much. So I was making some hibiscus tea. Hibiscus is very good for your blood, for relaxation. Yeah, so you can go check it out. It is very good. It has so many benefits. So I was making some hibiscus tea because I just wanted to wind down the night. I added some mint just for the flavor. I wanted to just drink it and relax before I went to bed. Yeah, so you can get 1 or 2 ideas on how to make it from here. Hello guys, hope mko poa. Like miss a little update. Yeah, I did my lines. Nilienda nikatengenezwa wig mahali. I wanted to do a weave, so I thought nitaweza weka nikaeka na juu. Hiyo stress ya kuweka wig kila saa nikitoa siko nataka, but wakanifanya vibaya nikaitoa. Na kucha zangu zimetoka. Leo nimekuwa home. Nilikuwa na clean up some chores. My grandpa has sadly left us. Yeah, so I was home there early. He left us yesterday. Today is on Sunday. He left us yesterday on Saturday 23rd. Yeah, and that's what we are working on, guys. But yeah, that's what it's all about. Enjoy. I think I'll end this video here. Me and to prepare mangoes, tea, and my tummy bottle. So I want to sit and try see if I can edit for you guys. But I love you so much, guys. Bye.
Baba, ninaomba, mikono nimeinua, nishike Baba, unifiche mikononi mwako.